Technocrafts is a reputable company that specializes in the repair and maintenance of industrial equipment. One of our primary services is the repair of Powerflex 753 drives are essential parts in many industrial applications, and their reliable operation is critical for efficient and safe operations. At Shawa Technocrafts, we have a team of highly skilled and experienced engineers who are well equipped to handle any issues that may arise with Powerflex 753 drives. We utilize advanced diagnostic tools and testing equipment to identify and resolve the problem quickly and effectively. The repair process at Shawa Technocrafts involves a thorough analysis of the drive's performance, including testing the drive's inputs, outputs, and power supplies. We also inspect the drive's hardware, software, and firmware to ensure that all components are working correctly. If necessary, we replace any faulty components or repair any damaged parts to restore the drive to its original condition.